meet you, Paul. Yeah, I ran one chicken tractor last year, and I ran it on my outside rows, so a lot of, back and forth. I had two together in our Wisconsin clay soils, and we have a lot of, north sides of slopes, north sides of tree lines, north sides of fence rows. Our planting conditions are not always ideal, and the chicken tracker just really helped make sure that trench is closed and make sure we're going to be all right. A lot of times it looks good right after you plant, but a day or two later, if it's hot out, it don't look what you thought it should. And the chicken tracker, you get a lot more pounds per square inch. On the case planter, they're so easy to put on and off. Just one bolt with the factory bushings, and they're just awesome. And
what I've found, it mellows that soil in wetter soil conditions, and a lot of times that keeps it from kind of orange peeling or crusting and stuff.
Oh yeah, it eliminates the crusting. It just eliminates the variables in a variable planting scenario. It's when you got a lot of acres to go through, you can't always wait till it's 100% ideal. You got to go, and the chicken tracker really worked nice.
Great.
So I'm hoping to have good luck this year with 24 of them.
Yeah, great. We appreciate that. So he's taking a few extras back for his friend back there to
got a neighbor that's going to try them. We got a lot of red planters up where we're at.